In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the ElevenLabs app in just 5 minutes. Whether you're on an iOS or Android device, or even if you're looking to find the desktop app, I've got you covered. Let's dive right into it and make sure you have this fantastic tool ready to use in no time. To start, simply open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you like to use. Once you've got your browser open, the next step is to perform a quick search for ElevenLabs. This is the easiest way to get directly to the official site where you can find the app. Once the ElevenLabs site loads, look for an option or tab that mentions Mobile App and click on it. This section of the website is specifically dedicated to guiding you through the download process for mobile devices, so it will provide you with all the necessary options. Now, for all you iOS users out there, after clicking on the Mobile App section, you should see a QR code appear on your screen. The QR code is a really simple and secure way to download the app directly to your iOS device without having to sift through the App Store. All you need to do is use your iPhone's camera to scan the QR code, and it will guide you through the installation process right on your device. For those on Android, the process is just as straightforward. Still in the Mobile Apps section, click on the option for Android. This will automatically route you to the Google Play Store page dedicated to ElevenLabs. From here, you'll see an Install button. Hit that, and the app will begin downloading directly onto your device. If you're logged into a Google account that's linked to multiple devices, it will ask which specific device or devices you'd like to install it on, providing handy flexibility. But what if you're looking to use ElevenLabs on a desktop? No worries, this is covered as well. The desktop version is available through an application called Web Catalog Desktop, suitable for both Mac and Windows operating systems. Web Catalog allows you to run apps in distraction-free windows, which is perfect for managing multiple accounts or applications without the hassle of swapping between different browser tabs. With Web Catalog, it's just like having a dedicated app right on your desktop. And there you have it. Whether you're using a mobile device or your desktop, now you know exactly how to download and install the ElevenLabs app. Ready to explore all the features that ElevenLabs has to offer? The app is now at your fingertips, so dive in and start experimenting with its amazing capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy app exploring.